Hi guys. I decided to get a fake battery for Makita, or fake Makita battery. Okay, and I want to see what's it like. They sort of weigh same amount, roughly, by hand. Genuine Makita one is 3 amp, and I believe it will be 3 amp. This one says 6 amp. Not. So let's just check on the kitchen scale. So Makita is 606 grams. I don't know if you can see that. 606 grams. And non-genuine is 555. So it's about 50 grams less. It's about 10%, 11% or whatever less. So let's see what is inside. Let's see. I mean, here it says everything is brilliant, you know. 6,000 milliamp hours and all that, but we know it's not. So let's have a look. Well, good for start. I don't see any concrete bits in there. Don't know if that would pull out. Yes. Okay, so they are right. Let's turn around. 18650, 3.6 volts. Okay, so these are the batteries. Now, if someone clever there can tell me how many amps this would actually hold, ampere hours. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which will be same, I believe same as in genuine one. I took these before apart, but I'll need to search internet and see these batteries, what they're like. Right, now I just searched the internet about these, and apparently, as we know, it's 3.6 volts, but each one of these is 2 amps. So if you take 5 of them, link them up, it will make 18 volts 2 amps, and 10 of them linked as they are would make 18 volts 4 amp. So according to internet, even being lighter than Makita one for 50 grams, 3 amp Makita, actually this one produces or holds 4 amps rather than 6. But even as a 4 amps, it's still good value for money. So the time will just show if they are durable or not. So time will show. We'll see. But I'm actually pleased to see that is 4 amps. I was hoping for at least 2.5 amps. So yeah, as internet says 4, I'm really happy with that, because 2 of these batteries cost me I think it was £23. So yeah, that would be result. As long as they last a couple of years, that will be good. So yeah, I'll use them. If they break soon, you'll get another video of me ranting about them. But so far, they'll get in use, and we'll see what they're like, the two of them. So I can just take a marker pen and just mark up 4 rather than 6. But even if it's 3 amps, like genuine one, I'll still be happy with it. There you go. I hope it's helpful. Please comment if you got any questions or suggestions. Obviously, I'm not a scientist about the batteries, so if anyone knows more than I know, please let me know, because I would like to learn about it. Thanks. All the best.